your description?
You have won the election with a total of 61 votes out of 63.
Very good. So the message is clear now.
The message is very clear.
Very true. And allow me to thank you. It's more than efficient. And I think IEBC will definitely copy the same. There's no question about it. Because when it is on, you can see. And you can press what you're seeing. And it can't go dead. It is always perfect. So if you ask me, the IEBC should follow the same route so that we get the correct results come 2027.
You can see we are using the electronic mode, and the kind of the machine that our people are using is so effective and efficient that we even wonder why the IEBC sometimes we have problems. It is so direct. You've seen now when I was voting, just one few seconds and I'm done. So this is what we expect even the IEBC to use, or to look for something even better than this.
This is the image that we want to promote in Migori County. There has been peace. No chaos, no quarrels. The UDA family are people who can sit down and talk and do things professionally. I'm very excited about this. And with that, we want to assure the President that we are partners in this broad-based, and to our colleagues who are in ODM, we welcome you into the house.
Yeah, the exercise is very free and fair. There is no any kind of malpractice. So far we have witnessed a total peace and vigilance.